Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to yet another episode of Bowl or Brown Out Loud, a podcast where we bring to you chatpati real life desi stories. I'm your host Sania and I'm joined by my co-host.
And the funnier sister, Anam. By now, you know the drill. On the first and third Tuesday of every month, we've been bringing you stories rooted in our brown experiences. Whether it's a wild adventure, a quirky character, or a kahani mein twist, we are sharing stories that are making you lol. So let's continue with the tradition. And Sanya, let's get this episode started.
Today's episode is about back to college. We had such a positive response for our back to school episode, so we decided college bhi karte hain fir se.
Sanya, technically, you never really left college. So, all your life you spent in college. Like, if I could sum it in the right way, like my nephew who was 6 years old was like, Sanya Khala, how bad are you in studies that you're still in school?
Yeah.
Seriously. Valid point. Sanya spent her entire life being in college and will take any excuse to go back. है ना,
Yes.
Sanya?
'Cause college life is the best life. Yeah, so you never know. Maybe next season I will be a college student podcasting from my dorm. You never know what life throws at you.
Oh no, Sanya, don't go into another dialogue. Let's focus on the theme and not your personal relapse. so, um, college, I think, has been the best time of my entire life. School was traumatic. College was this, I was this person I don't
Liberating.
identify with. Yeah, but I was this, yeah, I like the person I was in college. Yeah. She was
We
so
never got to
ignorant.
meet that person.
No, you were just so busy being in a wannabe in your college. So yeah.
Maybe that's why we liked the people we were because we didn't have to interact with each other. Ha ha ha.
Yeah, best time. We were in the same city, Sanya. We never interacted, but thanks to the age gap, as soon as I came in the city, you immediately
I was like,
left.
I'm out of here. True. So now I'm thinking, let's rewind and think about the first thing you remember thinking or doing when you realized you were going to go to college. Ke 12th ho gaya hai, and you're like, I know I'm going to go to this college. Do you remember that time?
What got me really excited was the fact that I would get a mobile phone because I was leaving home finally. Because I had been a part of the farewell ceremony of Seher and then a farewell ceremony of Sanya. And by the time it was my chance, my mom was like, Chachuko? Like it was not a big deal at all. No one cried. No one came to drop me off. So I was very excited about the gadget that I was going to get because Amma said, now you can call me and tell me when you've reached.
Okay, then. Anam still calls everyone wherever she is. I have reached home. We are
Sanya's
like,
like, no one
we are like,
asked.
yeah, we're like, we don't care. We're not even in the same city.
But yeah,
True.
phone was very like it was exciting to have that Nokia phone with that snake wala
Snake and
game.
ladder, snake
Hmm,
collar game, not
ladder
snake and
nahi thi
ladder.
snake. Rania, as usual, game genre is not her genre. So she wanted to just like play it up and failed
मैं
miserably.
सांप सीढ़ी से कंफ्यूज हो गई बट या
सानिया लाइफ में
माय
असली कैंडी क्रश खेल रही थी.
या
तुम्हारा क्या था सानिया? तुमने क्या किया?
मेरा तो एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था यार आई रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट थिंग आई रिमेंबर डूइंग इज क्या बोलते हैं मैं कॉलेज आ रही हूँ आई गॉट माई हेयर स्ट्रेटन्ड एंड कलर्ड बिकॉज स्कूल में तो कलरिंग अलाउड नहीं थी मैंने एक बार की थी और वी हैड टू कट आवर लॉक्स ऑफ तो आई गॉट माई हेयर स्ट्रेटन एंड कलर आई वाज लाइक आई एम गोना बी अ गर्ल विथ स्ट्रेट हेयर but Bombay is super humid, so that didn't last long.
So Sanya wanted to be me because I'm the only person in the family who has straight hair, taking after my dad. And then Sanya went and actually became a Bob Marley in Bombay because the weather didn't suit her straightening process. But yeah, Sanya also तुम बहुत खुश थी ना कि अम्मा नहीं होंगी तुम्हें ड्रैग करके तुम्हारा हेयर कट करके बॉय कट कराने की. All her life Sanya had boy cut hair and then she was like, no one now take me to the barber shop. I'm going to college. I'll straighten my hair and I'll have locks. So yeah, उसका dream था.
Yeah. मेरा ड्रीम था कि मैं I could run my fingers through my hair, so I was really excited that I would do that in college.
So Sanya, actually, the two things that we look forward for. I was looking forward for a new phone and then realized no one was picking my phone or there was no one to call. And you were looking for straight hair that never lasted more than a minute because thanks to Bombay humidity and local trains, you were always like in a rush if that's a hairdo. But yeah, so both of us fall flat on those uh, aspirations. बट फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज की बात करते हैं। बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होता है और लखनऊ से निकल रहे हैं और बॉम्बे जा रहे हैं, तो बॉम्बे का एक्सपीरियंस तो सिर्फ़ पिक्चरों में देखा है, तो बहुत हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे हमारे।
मेरे तो
एंड
बहुत थे, मैंने तो तुम्हें बहुत कुछ बता दिया था व्हेन यू केम, सो यू
हुँ।
हैड सम रियलिटी। मेरे तो बहुत ही हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे टू द एक्सटेंट दैट अ रिलेटिव ऑफ माइन हैड आस्क्ड मी कि डू यू थिंक तुम्हारे कॉलेज में लोग जैसे मूवीज में दिखाते हैं डांस करेंगे खड़े होके लाइक दे जस्ट ब्रेक आउट इनटू डांस एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट
And
सो आई
Sanya
वाज
practiced
एक्सपेक्टिंग
a whole
दैट
Sanya practiced a whole sequence
hook
because she was
step.
like, Kabhi bhi, you'd be like in a flash mob, and Sanya would be like, La di da. She'll start dancing
Yeah.
into her disco 82 steps. But मेरा expectation first day of college था कि मैं स्कूल में जो trauma हो चुका था और जो मेरा नाम बदनाम था हर जगह वो मैं I would start with a new identity and I would start sitting on the front bench, Sanya. That was like my micro
Wow.
action goal to be proactive in my life. Yeah.
And you were like, ma'am, 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 when no one was asking questions.
No, I wasn't like you, but I was the cool front bencher कि आओ यार
Cool
यहाँ
front
पंखे की हवा
bencher,
आता है पंखे की हवा आती है
new new terminology, cool front bencher, new
yeah
terminology alert. Oxymoron है ये। अगर आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी करनी है तो आप अनम से बात करिए। Nobody's a cool front bencher, Anam. Cool people in colleges were the ones who were bunking the class and sitting in the canteen, which was open all day.
Sanya, was it the first time that you ever bunked in college? Because मैं तो हमेशा स्कूल
Yes.
में भी बंक करती थी, but तुम्हें बहुत कूल थ्रिल लगा था कि ये क्या सिर्फ कॉलेज में होता है? लोग बंक करते हैं, लाइक जाओ बट नहीं जाओ।
Yeah,
तुमने किसी के लिए प्रॉक्सी लगाई थी? क्योंकि टेक्निकली
बहुत।
तुम्हारी क्योंकि यू वर ऑलवेज देयर इन द क्लासेस दैट वर बोरिंग एंड देन यू वर पुटिंग प्रॉक्सी फॉर एवरीवन। एंड लोग क्या देते थे मतलब रिटर्न में सान्या तुम्हें? खाना आई एम श्योर इट
ढेर
हैड
सारा प्यार।
nahi, which was khana basically. The two samosa in the one vada, that was Sania. Yeah, canteen was open all the time, which you said, which was a new thing for us. Like, हमारे स्कूल की कैंटीन से ब्रेक टाइम में खुलती थी. I
That's
mean, if you can
true.
call that a canteen at that
Yeah.
time.
So,
But
and there were so many options to eat, and it was like
yeah,
all the drama in the college was happening in the canteen.
like iced coffee, Pina was like, that
Cold
was
coffee,
another
Anam.
gossip. I had iced tea, sorry, not cold
Hmm.
coffee. आइस टी जो नेस्कैफे वाले भैया होते थे बट दैट वाज वहाँ अलग ही नीश का गॉसिप चल रहा होता था
Hmm.
बट कैंटीन वाज द प्लेस टू बी फॉर श्योर
Canteen was a place to be. That's where you would do all your fashion spotting too.
yeah the
Remember,
day
everyone
scholars
had
who were
this.
yeah
Yeah,
they were
everyone had the
born
same
in
look.
Bombay and they were like
Yeah,
yeah they
you could
had
tell
the
who was from Bombay and who was not.
like they had the comfort because they'd already tried these things in school and so they had these
Yeah,
very cool
like they
things
were
and
really
they had the
comfortable in their
confidence.
skin,
Yeah, और
right? Like they
हम
were just
लोग were like
owning the look, and we were just aping that look.
या ओनिंग द लुक से याद आया क्या-क्या फैशन की चीज़ें हम लोग को दिखती थी कैंटीन में?
Anklet on one leg,
या सानिया वो
right?
दैट वाज़ अ बिग
Everyone
थिंग।
did that. काजल, rite of passage, colleges, सब लोग काजल लगाना शुरू करते
नहीं
हैं,
और जो लोग ब्लू
boys
काजल
included.
लगाते थे वो थोड़े वो एफटीवी के लिए बने थे बिकॉज़ दोज़ गर्ल्स वो ब्लू काजल नॉट जस्ट काजल या।
Yeah, they were like just inherently cool.
Kajal
Those,
was a big part of our college, Sanya, because if you
yeah.
applied for sick leave, you just didn't put Kajal. Like
Hmm.
that was
True.
your way to say I'm on the well-being spectrum and now I'm off. I need mental health support. Kajal.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
yeah. Something bad
A-
happened to you, you had a breakup, you had to not put Kajal. Because if you put Kajal
To
and had
tell
a
the
breakup,
world that you'd had a breakup. Yeah. You're like,
yeah, yeah. But if you
everyone
put
knew.
But if you put Kajal and had a breakup, you clearly didn't like him. So you did the breakup. Like there were so many things associated to Kajal. That was a big piece, right, Tanya?
Yeah, and also piercings. That's the time where you could
Yeah.
get your nose pierced, your ears pierced, tattoos, like all of that was like everyone was
Yeah,
doing that.
I think out of peer pressure, I got second piercings on my कान या ₹50 दे के मैंने 2 पियर्सिंग कराई थी क्योंकि मेरी हिम्मत नहीं थी नाक पियर्स कराने की। बट या, दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड इन द कैंटीन, यू हैड टू जस्ट डू इट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द crowd. No one
To
asked
fit
us,
in.
but fit in,
Yeah.
yeah.
And Anam, remember those chappals जो टूटती रहती
Oh,
थी? वो हर
Osho
कलर की चप्पल होती थी,
chappals,
ओशो चप्पल्स, which
the
were
most
basically just
uncomfortable.
straw. Yeah, they were just like a piece of straw and straps of fabric on it. And I guess they were designed for the Osho ashram, but we were walking around in it, and they would obviously they were not meant for Bombay ki sadkein and travel, and they were always breaking apart. But everyone still wore them. They would soak up all the water because they were made of
या वो
straw.
बैम्बू सड़ जाता था और 1-2 निकल आती थी बैम्बू, बट क्या कहते हैं कि नॉट द बेस्ट फुटवियर टू वेयर व्हेन यू आर ट्राइंग टू चेज़ अ बस। और
Mm.
मैं एक बहुत नुआंस पर्सपेक्टिव देना चाहूँगी कि मेरे फ्लैट फीट हैं, तो जब मैं अपनी चप्पल उतारती थी तो पूरा उसका पैटर्न मेरी फीट पे बना होता था।
But those chappals made you feel like royalty. You know why? हर कलर की थी, they made you feel like royalty because they were so chat 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 that they would announce for you when you were arriving.
Yeah, but at the end of the academic year, I always had one chappal missing of each pair because that was lost in trying to catch the bus or train. Yeah. So that
Yeah.
happened. That was a real lived experience of being in college in Bombay. But Sanya, I also want to talk about something like the short forms that existed. Like हम लोग पहले स्कूल में थे और कोचिंग क्लासेस में होते थे तो MWF और ये सब चलता था कि मंडे वेंसडे फ्राइडे में जाती हूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स। बट बॉम्बे में जाके लाइक न्यू शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स पता चले, लाइक रिमेंबर ATKT?
Yes. Which was actually called allow. I mean, it actually meant allowed to keep term, which was
So basically it
supplementary.
meant you
जिसको
could
बाकी
go
लोग कहते हैं कि सप्ली लग गई.
बैक लग गई, बैक लग गई।
हाँ.
बेसिकली आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाइए बट भूलिए नहीं कि आपके कर्म आपको पीछे का क्या याद दिलाएँगे एंड आपको एग्ज़ाम देना होता था। तो
Yeah.
इट वाज़ सच अ क्लास डिस्टिंक्शन कि उसकी तो एटी-केटी लग गई, लाइक ओह नो
And that
एटी-केटी।
was a cool thing. And my
इट
friend
वाज़न्ट अ
used to
कूल
call
थिंग।
it आज थोड़ा कल थोड़ा.
हुँ,
ज़्यादा पढ़ो थोड़ा सा आज पढ़ के ईटी-केटी लगवा के कल कंप्लीट करना. Yeah, that was
समथिंग
a
दैट
very
सान्या
Bombay
कांट
thing.
रिलेट,
Also,
या एटी-केटी।
also Bombay lingo was like what man, all of that.
चल
Like
मैं
people
चलती हूँ,
spoke
लाइक
people spoke differently, and especially for us क्योंकि हम लोग लखनऊ से आए थे.
दैट वाज़ जस्ट कंसिडर्ड लाइक डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल व्हेन वी यूज़ बॉम्बे लैंग्वेज बैक इन लखनऊ, है ना?
Yeah, yeah. Like अम्मा would say बदतमीजी कर रही हो हमसे.
Mhm. But Sanya, I also want to talk about the concept of going to college for the first time and then the realization that you have to manage your finances. Like, it was not like you were going out
You
shopping
must
and
be
coming.
suffering अनम क्योंकि तुम्हें तो मैथ्स ही नहीं आती है.
जी हाँ, इसलिए मैं मतलब बहुत सेविंग्स करती थी।
खुशी वाज लाइक खर्चूंगी नहीं तो सब्ट्रैक्शन ही नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Very funny, Sanya.
And I remember missed call culture.
Yes, Sanya, you were older than me and had more pocket money, and still you used to give me missed calls when I was on a smaller budget. Like, I how can I
क्योंकि
forget?
तुम्हें मैथ्स नहीं आती थी. You
नहीं,
didn't
क्योंकि
have a
तुम
smaller
इतनी
budget. तुम्हारे
इतनी
खर्चे कम थे.
ऐसे हर चीज़ में मेरी चीज़ें कम थी, तो तुम मुझे मिस्ड कॉल देती थी कि और हाँ, सानिया एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू पुट मनी, क्या चल रहा है? हाँ, रिचार्ज
You should
करा
be
देना
happy
अपना
कि मैं तुम्हें
फ़ोन।
फ़ोन करती थी.
कुछ तो काम होता था कि जाके ये लिया और जब आना तो ये सब पैक करा के लाना खाने की चीज़ें। सो या सानिया ऑलवेज़ वाज़ लाइक लिविंग ऑफ माय पॉकेट मनी एंड सेविंग अप फॉर व्हाट?
Arnab was
स्ट्रेटनिंग her
always
hair.
been victimized. Talking about being victimized, Arnab, both of us stayed in a hostel जहाँ पे बहुत सारे
Ooh.
अत्याचार होते थे.
हमारे साथ, हमारे लोगों के साथ बहुत।
Yeah. So hostel Anam, I thought is was really like Big Boss का game चल रहा था.
आई नो लाइक व्हाई इज़ बिग बॉस सो फेमस? हमें हॉस्टल में कैमरा लगा देते थे तो ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते। वी डिडन्ट हैव अ सलमान खान, वी हैड अ हॉस्टल वार्डन। एवरीवन हैज़ एन पर्सनैलिटी व्हेन इट कम्स टू हॉस्टल वार्डन।
Yeah.
लाइक
Our hostel warden was actually hired from a women's prison. Talk about that.
Sanya, you
And
deserve something like this. But our hostel warden was one of the nuns, so closed.
oh yeah, Anam, you went to a all girls college. Anam, what were the most bizarre hostel rules that you can
I
think
had to
of?
submit my mobile phone at 9 in the night and take it 7 in the morning. And so the whole night we didn't have our phone. At least that's what the
Wow.
nuns thought. We submitted stuff like a fake phone, a phone that didn't look like a phone, or something that was never a phone. Like, so our student body president used to submit a soap case. So the
Damn,
bags were
so they
never.
were really not checking कि क्या submit
But
हो रहा है.
sometimes checking hoti thi and the nuns used to randomly call and some girls would be like, hello. And she's like, thanks for picking up the phone at 10 o'clock. Please meet me in the principal's office tomorrow. And that's how,
Yikes.
yeah.
Man, that sounds rough.
Now, when I read up, Sanya, about stuff like you should keep your phone away from your room for a better sleep and having better boundaries, yeah, it's very triggering for me because I can't do it. मुझे बहुत दिनों बाद अपना फ़ोन वापस मिला है भाई।
True
सो या
यार, हमारे तो we had lights out at 10 तो हम लोग सब अंधेरे में बातें करते थे तो हमारा
स्पीकिंग ऑफ
नाइट
लाइट्स
विजन बहुत
आउट्स
इम्प्रूव हो गया.
स्पीकिंग ऑफ लाइट्स आउट सान्या कुछ ऐसे ही था कि सारे काम लाइट्स के साथ ही करने थे हम लोग को लाइट्स आउट के बाद।
Yeah. It feels so constricting now, right? Like when I think about college experience here in America, it's like so different. And my friend had come from boarding school, तो उसके लिए ये सब novelty नहीं थी. And she was like, guys, just get over this. You know, she was like, I'm done with these things. But hostel was quite bizarre. And the hostel kind of knew Bombay में living accommodation crisis itni hai, so they could be really strict because you just couldn't leave because you wouldn't find accommodation anywhere.
Yeah, the midday newspaper had titled my hostel as one of the most strict and disciplined hostel. Felt like a hospital at that time. But we were so ashamed of that cover story. But our nuns literally framed it and put it everywhere because they were so proud of the standards of discipline.
One thing really everyone cared about in the hostel was relationship drama.
Oh my
हर
God.
हॉस्टल में हर टाइप का रिलेशनशिप ड्रामा होता है. लोगों में लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं क्योंकि हमेशा एक चोर होता है हॉस्टल में. There's always like boy trouble, situationships
If
happening.
if you were in a relationship and the relationship went to level 2, that's when you bought the Geo wala phone which had unlimited night calling. Any girl who had that white phone with blue light meant she was in a steady relationship.
Yeah, those were dead giveaways.
Yeah.
My roommate was in a situationship with a boy called Krishna, and all night I would hear Krishna, 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 and I felt like यार मैं कृष्णा भक्त बन जाऊंगी because the whole night was like Hare Krishna, 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 Krishna. Like that was like my night bhajan.
सानिया बेचारी लड़की मेरे रूममेट्स
बेचारी लड़की. Okay, अनम ही थी क्या वो? अनम के साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ है कुछ.
But different types of roommates भी होते थे सानिया. Like remember
Yeah.
those roommates who had didn't have notes, didn't know which class to go to, but had haldi and ajwain in their closet. Like those aunties, I would call them. Remember?
How are those things related?
Exactly. Like you were not organized in your academic life, which you came to, but you were like, Grihasti sambhal rahi hu main.
Oh, okay, okay.
Wo wali. What would
Hmm.
you do with ajwain in college and haldi?
Maybe she
But
had
yeah.
stomach issues, man.
No, she used to. Yeah. Anyway,
I have a very good kleptomaniac story. So we had this kleptomaniac in our hostel. She would steal stuff and then give it to other people. So जब मैं नई नई आई थी तो मुझे इतने फ्री के बिस्किट मिले. And I used to be like ये लड़की कितनी अच्छी है. She's always giving me something. And जब तक कि मैं थोड़े दिन रह गई मुझे पता चला जब चोरियां होती थी तो वो ऐसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देती थी खाना चुरा के. एंड आई वाज लाइक मैंने कितनों का खाना खाया है नॉट नोइंग कि ये चुराया हुआ है.
But Sanya, that didn't change your khana eating habits. Like you were like, और लाओ, कुछ plan बताओ.
Somebody's offering you like pure
But
magic biscuits, yaar.
I like this
Usko guilt hota hoga,
kleptomaniac.
I don't know.
हाँ.
Yeah, she was doing it for the thrill. She didn't want to eat.
But
So she was like, you
she was
take
doing.
it.
Yeah, okay. I never had a kleptomaniac in
You
my
were the
hostel.
one then.
Very funny. Um, and then there was this compulsive liars, like मैं तो
Ah.
स्विट्जरलैंड जा रही हूँ इस बार और यहाँ वहाँ पापा कह रहे थे कि नहीं नहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया चलो मैं कहा नहीं नहीं मैं स्विट्जरलैंड जाऊंगी.
Yeah, there was a
When
girl
would
who was a
that girl
compulsive liar.
realize? Yeah, but हम लोग भी
तब
यार
इंटरनेट
उसको
का एक्सेस भी कम था ना हमारे पास, so
you
you could
couldn't track
get,
location
yes, and you could get away with more lies. So there was always that.
and you could
There
come
was
back
always
with
a girl who
those.
was a snitch also, Anam, who would like
Hmm.
go complain about things.
You,
Never me.
you. Yeah.
And then there were always girls,
Mm.
Anam, with questionable hygiene. जिनकी लड़ाइयाँ होती थी कि bathroom गंदा है. Like there was always all of that drama going on too.
There was a lot of drama going on, and especially in all girls hostel. Yeah. Some stuff that comes up for me is drama that happened around rules, like bizarre rules that we had, right? Remember room inspections, like in hostel?
Yeah, it was like, dude, this is not a prison. Like, why are rooms being inspected?
I hesitate to say this because Amma listens to the podcast, but because I know what Amma will say. हम लोग की कबर्ड्स चेक होती थी और हम लोग को सिखाया जाता था कि कपड़े कैसे फ़ोल्ड होते हैं और अगर ऐसे कपड़े फ़ोल्ड नहीं होते थे तो वी हैड टू रीडू आवर कबर्ड. आई नो अम्मा विल लिसन टू इट एंड
But
अभी भी
Anam,
तुम कपड़े नहीं
तुम्हें
फ़ोल्ड
कुछ
करती.
नहीं सिखाया गया क्योंकि
एग्ज़ैक्टली
तुम्हारी
यू बीइंग द
cupboard
अम्मा
is the
हियर.
biggest mess in the whole world.
जी नहीं. सो आई यूज्ड टू
I challenge you, Anam, तुम अपनी cupboard की फोटो जो है Instagram पे डालो, खुली cupboard की.
तुम अपनी प्लेट की फ़ोटो पहले डाल लो, फिर मैं क अपनी खुली कबर्ड की डालूँगी. मैंने जूनियर्स ढूँढ लिए थे. मैंने उनसे कहा था मैं तुम्हारा काम कर दूँगी. तुम ज़रा मेरी कबर्ड साफ कर देना. बट एनीवे, imagine going and like it was now sounds so intrusive opening your cupboard and going through each
Yeah,
shelf.
it was really intrusive. I have a fun room inspection story. So my friend, just the one who shall not be named, बहुत ही गंदा उसका कमरा रहता था. And the warden came and said कि कल तुम्हारा कमरा साफ नहीं हुआ, I'm going to fine you. So the next day, the whole day, she was like, guys, I can't hang out with you. I have to go clean my room. I have to go clean my room. And then she went and came back in 15 minutes. And we were like, इतनी जल्दी ये कमरा साफ ही नहीं हो सकता. Like, do you have a genie or something? And when we went to her room, she had put all the gand of the kamra on her bed, covered it with a bed cover, and she was beating it with a danda to even it out. And she was like, done, and वो उसी पे सोई.
Good idea to have a better mattress. I think that was a genius idea. मैंने क्यों नहीं ऐसे किया? But मैं क्या करती थी कि बिस्तर के नीचे रखती थी और फिर अम्मा had given me oversized bed sheets thinking कि मैं तो king size bed पे सो रही हूँ जब मेरे पास twin से भी पतला bed था. I used to just hide it under the what. But yeah, I should have just used it and made it a part of my mattress क्योंकि हम लोग को गद्दे मिलते थे. I had my first room and I used to share it with 6 people. I just want to bring that up. It
Me
was
too.
no.
I
Yeah.
had with 5 people. Yeah,
It was really
first year.
tough to bond with 6 people and just like एक चॉकलेट आती थी तो 6 को देनी होती थी जब तक कैडबरी अपने पास आती थी रैपर बचा होता था. It was very tough like छुपा के हम लोग ना.
बहुत tough थी Anam की life, guys. Anam, what are some most common lies told in a hostel?
कॉमन तो बहुत हैं बट मेरे भी बहुत हैं. The biggest one that everyone has done, Sanya, please tell me you've also done it, is that night out में you say you spend the time with your local guardians.
Yeah, that was a common lie. And I think everyone knew that you were lying, but they didn't care. The other one was, ma'am, I was sick and in a hospital.
हाँ, वो तो एवरीडे लाया था कि इतनी बार हम लोग हॉस्पिटल गए हैं कि मतलब मेडिकल मार्वल हो सकते हैं कि वापस आके फिर से पढ़ाई करके फिर से जा रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल. ओके या द अदर वन सानिया's grandparents' death. How
Yeah.
no one asked how many grandparents we had. No one asked how many times they were resurrected and came back, went back. So yeah, grandparents' death was like a no-brainer. You were never asked a follow-up question ever. So, yeah,
Yeah. These are
yeah,
all good lies where follow-up questions were hard.
yeah.
Another one is, ma'am, this is my brother.
Yeah, especially when the hostel was open to local guardians, a lot of brothers came to visit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that didn't look like you. But the other one is but I don't smoke, sister. Never have I smoked. Yeah, like girls who were like just smelling with
I
like
like how Anam is
tobacco.
like girls who were like smelling,
मैं सबकी
but
छुपाती थी, हाँ।
Anam तो सब
हुँ।
कुछ यही करती
और
थी क्योंकि
दूसरा
she
lie
knows
ये
Amma is
था कि
listening. But yeah,
and दूसरा was lies was that sister I saw a ghost.
what? That was taking it too far. But Anam,
सानिया बेचारी भूत के नाम से डर गई। तो she was like,
yeah, मैं
"What?"
डर गई थोड़ी और इसके साथ Anam, I think we should go to game time. And it's game time, and we are playing our favorite game, Bowl Baby Poll. This week, our question to our audience was which best describes your college life? आपके पास चार ऑप्शन थे. Number A is Canteen Chronicles. Endless chai, samosas, and gossip that last longer than lectures. Option B, last minute exam prep. Studying a semester's worth in one night. Option C is campus crushes. And option D, fests and farewell. So Anam, you are back to guessing क्योंकि you were like मैं guess करूंगी मैं हर बार जीतूंगी अब. Which option do
Mm.
you think won?
सो बेसिकली मुझे आंसर्स पता हैं शायद इस बार बट द थिंग इज कि अगर मेरी फ्रेंड्स वोट करती तो होता फेस्ट्स एंड फेयरवेल्स बिकॉज वी वर लाइक द कूल पीपल विद फेस्ट कॉलेज फेस्ट बट अगर तुम्हारी फ्रेंड्स वोट करती तो वो होता लास्ट मिनट एग्जाम प्रेप रीड प्रेप एज द 15th रिविजन सो सानिया आई फील कि तुमने ये पोल अपनी दोस्तों को ज़्यादा भेजा है और मेरी दोस्तों को ब्लॉक किया है, तो आई थिंक द बिगेस्ट आंसर इज़ लास्ट मिनट एग्ज़ाम प्रेप स्टडीइंग अ सेमेस्टर इन वन नाइट। या
That doesn't sound like my friends. Cause हम
रिविज़न
लोग
तुम्हारी
सब बहुत
फ्रेंड्स
पढ़ाई already करके आराम से
रिव
बैठते थे. That sounds like your friends. But Anam, is this your final option?
येस इट इज़। अब मुझे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग है मैं जीतने वाली हूँ।
ऑफ कोर्स और ये आपकी फीलिंग सही थी क्योंकि तालियां ऑप्शन
ये!
बी इज द विनर विद 64.7% ऑफ द
येस!
वोट्स
येस!
एंड ये फेक कॉन्फिडेंस से मैं जो हूं और एविडेंस कलेक्ट कर रही हूं कि
जी
अनम कर रही है भारी चीटिंग.
जी नहीं।
इसकी इसकी
आपको मैं मॉडल
पूछताछ
कर
की
रही हूँ कि
जाएगी.
जीतना कैसा होता है ये
ज़्यादा
आई एम
मॉडल मत
मॉडलिंग।
करिए. आप और मैं सेम ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड पे थे, तो आपको मॉडल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
जी
बट
नहीं।
अनम इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी होगा और
जी।
हम लोग इसके रिजल्ट्स आपको सून बताएँगे.
सानिया
मैं
की
थोड़ी
हर चीज़
पूछताछ करूँगी.
3 पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड है, 3 लेयर्ड पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड। Even her co-host can't get into documents. Just saying about trust. We will do an episode on
ये
trust,
अनम ने
but
इतनी बार बताया है कि कितने लेवल्स ऑफ पासवर्ड हैं जो मैंने इसे कभी नहीं बताए थे, which shows that she has been
I
able to
tried.
get in
I tried, but
and
I failed.
crack it. And now she has
जी नहीं।
access to the
Very funny.
whole
I
data.
won
एंड अनम यार
because
थोड़ी एक्टिंग ही अच्छी कर लिया करो. मुझे पता है ऑप्शन यही जीतेगा. मैं बहुत बहुत बहुत
नहीं क्योंकि
कॉन्फिडेंट
अब हम लोग
हूँ.
के सारे जो दोस्त हैं वो काफ़ी बुड्ढे हो गए हैं, तो दे लुक बैक एंड दे लाइक वो थी ना लाइफ 2-3 घंटे पहले पढ़ के पार कर लेते थे, अब देखो क्या हो गया है। इट्स जस्ट दैट सैड रियलाइज़ेशन इसलिए लोगों ने
Not
अभी
really bad
फेयरवेल
cover
एंड
up for cheating Anam, but ये अभी के लिए आप Anam is innocent until found guilty. तो
वेरी
तालियां
फनी
आपको,
क्राइम पेट्रोल को फ़ोन
आप
करो
लोगों
तुम तो
को,
सीधे
दर्शकों
हर चीज़।
दर्शकों आप जो है अनम को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटरी मैसेजेस भेज सकते हैं और सून एक लॉसूट आएगा जिसमें पता चलेगा कि अनम ने भारी चीटिंग की थी एंड पोल्स जो है उसने
तुम्हारी
रिग
पोल
किए
खोल
थे.
देंगे पोल्स डोंट वरी मूविंग ऑन आई वन जस्ट एक्सेप्टेड सानिया बड़ा भारी भरकम चीटिंग की थी दर्शक ये सब कर रही हो चलो
दर्शकों और इसके साथ आई एम लीविंग यू विद दिस थॉट. थिंक
ओफो
अबाउट कि अनम एकदम से इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस से जीतने कैसे लगी. व्हाट हैज चेंज इन अनम्स
सानिया तो
लाइफ. थिंक अबाउट इट एंड विद दैट वी विल गो टू क्लोजिंग.
That's a wrap on another episode of Bowl. Thank you for hanging out with us and being a part of our storytelling journey. Like, share, subscribe, and catch us on Apple, Spotify, Audible, YouTube, GeoSavan. Just look for Brown Out Loud. We're that famous. If you have stories to share with us, write to us or send us voice notes on our email brownoutloudbowl@gmail.com. No spaces. Or DM us on Instagram at brown.out.loud. We will be sure to feature them. Until next time, it's us, Anam and Sanya, signing off and keeping the stories alive. Adab! Sanya, गई अपनी conspiracy theory proof करने.
Yes. Adab. Bye.